Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Genie from Aladdin. Now we're going to get started with the top edge of the cheek. So let's move over to the left side and draw a curve. Starting from the outside, we're going to curve up and then down on the inside. Now we're going to take that and flip it over on the right. So let's line up the inside of the cheek, curve up and then down. Now we're going to tuck the eyes in behind the cheek, so it's two large ovals. So from the inside I want to step out, curve around, up to the top. Now I'm going to pull the oval down on top of the cheek. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the inside, curve in, up to the top, and then back down on top of the cheek. Now we're going to draw two ovals on the inside of the eye for the pupils. So starting on the left, draw one oval, and then line this up on the right side. Then we're going to fill the pupils in black. Now let's draw on the edge of the nose. Starting from the inside edge of the right eye, we're going to curve down and then in towards the center. And then from here we're going to go out and up towards the left. Now we're going to draw on the top edge of the mouth. Starting directly underneath the left eye, curve down in the middle, just underneath the tip of the nose, and then back up on the right. Let's add a bracket on the top corners of the mouth, just going over that line. Now let's draw the lower part of the mouth. Starting from the corner of the mouth on the left, we're going to go out in an angle. I'm just going to round out the bottom of the mouth, come up on the right, and then go straight in with an angled line towards the top corner of the mouth. Now we're going to add the top row of teeth. Stepping down from the mouth, curve down in the middle, and then back up on the right. Now let's draw the lower row of teeth. Starting from the left, we're going to curve down, going across towards the right. Now let's add in a tongue. In between the teeth, we're going to start in the center with a point. From this point, I'm going to curve up, and then back down on the left, go up, and then down on the right. Now we're going to move out and draw on the side of the head. From the cheek on the left, we're going to step up, we'll curve around the cheek, and then in. Let's do the same thing on the right, curving around, and then in. Now let's draw on the lower part of the head. Starting from the left side, curve around. It's almost like drawing a large half circle. Come down towards the chin, and we'll pull that back up on the right side. Now we're going to add the inside edge of the beard. Starting from the cheek, we're going to taper this so it gets a little bit wider as we come down towards the chin. And then we'll work our way back up towards the right cheek. Now we're going to fill this beard area in black. Now let's add the curly beard along the bottom. Starting over on the left side, curve in and then down. Now I'm just going to swirl this around. Curve down towards the bottom and then pull that back in. Now I just want to taper this back up over towards the right side. So we're going to start from the tip of the beard. We're going to make the spacing a little thicker as we come back up. Now I'm going to fill the beard in black. Now let's move up and draw on the top of the head. From the left cheek on top, go up and then out. Do the same thing on the right side. Now I'm going to curl this around the eye and then pull that in. I'm just going to round this out, come down and then in. Let's add the bottom edge of the eyebrow. Starting from the inside on the left, we're going to curve up and just pull that down on the side of the head. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Now let's draw on the top of the head. On the inside edge of the left brow, we're going to curve up and then back down on the right side. let's add that little knot at the top. So it's a half circle right in the middle. And then we're gonna add the hair in the center. Starting from the left side, curve out, back over towards the right. And now right here, we're just gonna flick that up. We're gonna work our way back down on the right side of this band. Curve down, in, and then down. Let's fill that all in black. Now let's move out and draw on the ears. We're gonna start at the bottom of the eyebrow on the left. We're gonna curve up and then out. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now we're gonna round out the tip of the ear. Just gonna pull that back in, short hook. Now we're gonna pull this down beside the cheek. So on the left side, we're gonna curve in and then down. On the right side, I just wanna draw on the earlobe, coming down and pulling that in behind the face. And then on the left side, we're gonna add the earring on top of the ear. So from the bottom of the ear, we're just gonna hook this in to right about there. We're gonna add 2 angled lines going over the ear. Close off the bottom with a curve. And at the top, we'll curve in the opposite direction. I'm gonna continue the curve of the ear in behind the earring, going in behind the head. Now I'm gonna draw the inside edge of the ear. Starting from the top of the cheek, we're gonna curve up and then out, aiming towards that point. All right, so now that we got the head, let's work our way down the body. We're gonna have the arms crossed in front. So we start on the left side of the face, curve out the arm, come in towards the middle. Now right here, we're gonna pull this up on the right side, just beside the beard. Now let's go to the right side. So we're gonna line this up, we're gonna curve out the arm, round out the arm. Now we're going to pull this in behind the front arm. Now let's draw on the top of the forearm. From this point, I'm going to curve up, in behind the beard, continue over towards the left, and then down. Now we're going to add in 3 fingers. From this point, we're going to curve around, and we're just going to hook that back in. Let's add 2 more fingers on top. So at the tip of this finger, we're going to go up, hook that in. We'll do that one more time. Curving up. I'm just going to pull this in behind the forearm. Let's add the wristband. Starting at the top of the arm, curve in, and then down towards the bottom of the arm. Now we're going to step over towards the other side of the beard and draw that same curve coming down. Now we're going to move down and draw on the body. So we start underneath the left arm. Start by curving out and down. We're going to round out the body, come up towards the right. I'm just going to pull that down at the end. Now I just want to taper this so it gets wider at the top of the body and it comes down to this point. So we start underneath the right arm, curve down over towards the left. We're going to round this out, go up, and then taper down to a point. Let's draw on the belt. From these 2 points, we're going to connect them with a curve, coming down and then up. I'm going to step down and draw on that same curve. Now the last thing I'm going to do is add that lamp on the side. So from this point we draw a straight line going across. Now from here I'm going to curve down and then up. We're going to round out the top of the lamp, come down the side. Now it's going to bring this back up towards the tip of the spout. I'm going to curve up and then over. Let's add the lid. On the top we're going to add a curve from left to right, coming down and up. Let's add the lid handle. We're going to add a little oval along the top. Now let's draw on the handle. On the side, we're going to draw a half circle, going around, back in. We're going to step in and just trace it out on the inside. And then we'll finish off with the bottom of the lamp. In the center, we're going to draw 2 curves, one out to the left and then the right. And then we'll connect those 2 points with a curve coming down and then up. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's the Genie from Aladdin. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.